Bro, this dude just bapped in front of me, bro. Look at this shit. This nigga just smacked the car, bro, driving right in front of me, bro. I'm the car right behind this nigga, bro. Look, this nigga smacked the car, bro. Driving down this mission, nigga just smacked the car. Flipped that motherfucker right in front of me, bro. That shit crazy, bro. That shit crazy, bro. That shit crazy, bro. Dude just flipped his whole shit right here. That's crazy, bro. Dude stuck in the car and all the shit. That nigga, I don't know how the fuck he flipped it like that. That nigga smacked right into the car.
The fire department is on its way, and so is the police, okay? Hey, the police, what is your name?
Did he have a seatbelt on?
Oh, there you go, you got it.
Oh my God, bro.
What is your name? I don't know if you have broken bones.
This nigga just flipped his load in front of me, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. We driving down Mission, bro. He smacked right into this car. Blam and flip, nigga. Right here in front of me. This shit's crazy, bro. Oh my God. It was a lady? She's by herself?
She's the only one.
Oh, wow. Is there anybody else in there?
Hey, is there anybody else in here?
No.
No, she's the only one.
Man, that's crazy, bro. How does she do that? Is she all right?
I'm gonna call someone from your family.
If you got a cushion,
I
put
called-
it under her leg.
I have your phone. I'm gonna call someone for you, okay?
You can phone a shot under her leg.
Shit.
Is there anybody in the car?
Oh, wow. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.